Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Cooking With. I am Steve Newcombe, the Director of the Culinary Department here. Today, and this week, we're going to be featuring fish nuggets, which it's a great summer dish. It's going to be nice, crisp, and we'll have a couple different fishes to feature throughout the week. So what we've got here is some rockfish, and I'm just going to take it, I'm going to cut it up into some chunks. It doesn't have to be super uniform or anything, because we're going to bread it and fry it. Okay, that's good. So what I've done is I've got some flour, some parsley, some Old Bay, and paprika. I'm just going to mix that together. And to that I'm going to add about a half a cup of water. This is going to be our wet batter. A little more water. Okay. Well, we'll take our fish, a couple chunks in there, just get it wet, and then we're going to drop it into some panko, which is just a Japanese crispy breadcrumb. Once we have it coated all the way around, we're just going to drop it into the fryer. Should be good to go. Alright, so fish is about done now. It's nice golden brown. We'll take it out of the fryer, let it rest on some paper towel, and then we'll serve this with some tartar sauce. You're going to get 6 of these with an order, but that's about what it's going to look like. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks.